Hello guys, today we will learn about living and non-living things. All living things breathe, eat, grow, move, reproduce and have senses. Example of living things: man, man, man. Animal, animal, animal. Tree, tree, tree. Birds, birds, birds. Flowers, flowers, flowers. Etc, etc. Non-living things do not eat, grow, breathe, move and reproduce. Example of non-living things: ball, ball, ball. Car, car, car. Pen, pen, pen. Toys, twice, twice. Book, book, book. Etc, etc. Living things examples: man, animals, trees, birds, etc. Non-living things examples: chair, books, toys, ball, etc. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.